that aircraft fuel and air. At that point, it's at an idle right now, and the starter motor will be disconnected and placed into the crew truck. At that point, the crew will check everything, make sure there's no leaks, and when they're ready and confident that everything's fine, they'll drop the body down over the driver of the chassis and connect it with a latch. At that point, the crew will take off and head for the other end of the drag strip, because at that point, it's totally up to CMI to build this car up to 22,000 RPM at its total engine RPM capability. Now, during the build-up process, he has to feed the engine as much jet aviation kerosene as possible. Sometimes it's a little too much, the excess gets sent out the afterburner tube and creates the firestorm that you can only see with jet-powered drag racing machinery. Once he gets the engine to full RPM, these jets are the only type of drag racing machine that is staged up on the starting line at full throttle. All Sam does to leave the starting line is release the brake and hit the afterburner button. He will use the afterburner blast to move the car up to the starting line. And ladies and gentlemen, if you've never seen it before, get ready to witness one of the most outrageous sights you'll ever see. Jet-powered funny cars at Maple Grove Raceway.
Fucking insane. Dude, imagine if you had a fucking street legal car that did that shit.
Unbelievable firestorm on the starting line. 20 feet of flame out of the afterburner of this incredible machine. Now it's still only about half its engine RPM. You'll hear it build it up even higher when he's ready to go to 100%. There he goes.